Happy Moon Day, beloved. I just would like to share something that has happened yesterday, and it was definitely a little nudge for today's nature reading. I say nature reading because I'm not using the oracle cards, but I'm just deciphering the signs of nature. So I was getting ready to go to the center yesterday for the Kundalini Activation Workshop, and this beautiful tiger moth decided to come and rest on the patio door. He was there for a very long time, making a point. I always say to you, messages are all around us. Pay attention. Nothing is by chance, and what a beautiful reminder. You see, we don't always need oracle cards to gain clarity. So let's unpack the meaning of this beautiful gift from nature. The spiritual significance of the tiger moth, embracing transformation. In the mystical dance of nature, the tiger moth stands as a powerful symbol of transformation and change. As spiritual beings, we are reminded by their existence that life is a continuous journey of evolution. Nothing remains static, and everything is in constant flux. When we encounter a tiger moth, it serves as a gentle nudge from the universe, signaling that a shift is on the horizon. Perhaps it's time for us to release old habits or beliefs that no longer serves our higher selves. Just as a tiger moth undergoes a remarkable metamorphosis, we too possess the incredible potential for change and self-improvement. The life cycle of the tiger moth is a beautiful metaphor for personal growth. From the humble beginnings of a caterpillar, it bravely navigates through various stages, facing challenges and embracing growth, until it emerges as a magnificent moth. This process teaches us invaluable lessons about resilience and adaptability. Life may present us with obstacles, but just like the tiger moth, we have the strength to evolve and soar. In moments of doubt or fear, let the tiger moth inspire you to embrace the unknown. Change is not to be feared. Rather, it is a vital ingredient in the recipe of growth and progress. Each transition we face is an opportunity to shed our old selves and rise anew, full of wisdom, strength, and possibility. As you move through your own transformation, remember that you are not alone. In every stage, there is beauty and purpose. Trust in the process and allow the tiger moth to guide you towards your own brilliance. Embrace each moment of change, for they are the stepping stones leading you to the life you are meant to live. With unconditional love and blessings, Lucia, Graceful Light.